Facebook page transparency is where you see all the ads that's being run by that Facebook page. But Facebook have moved it around and sometimes you can't find it. That happened to me. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Facebook page transparency so they can see the ads that page is running. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel right now so they can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you where you can find Facebook page transparency. Let's go. First of all, open up your Facebook app. So page transparency is the place where you can see the ads that the Facebook page is running. So now I want to see what kind of ads this IPAC Doctor of Business Administration page is running. So just click on the page itself. So last time, where do you see the page transparency? It will be appearing in About Us at part of the menu here. There's all photos, reel mentioned. There's another place called About where you can click on that and there you can see page transparency. But now Facebook have moved it and I have problem finding it, but luckily it is easy to find actually. All you have to do is just need to click on that page name. So click on the page name. And then you can see here, they created by when, what kind of profile, what kind of education website, and then you can see transparency and privacy policy. Click on that. So here you can see everything here, and then you can see go to ad library. So this is what you call the page transparency. Click go to ad library, and there you can see all the ads that this page is running. So they make it supposedly easier to find page transparency, but if you do not know it, you get confused like what happened to me previously. So this is also applicable for desktop. You can check the page transparency as well. Same thing, just go to the page, click on the name, and then you can open it up. Alright, hope this is useful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so they can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.